How many of us came with our houses? Where is it? Let me see. Put it in front of you. So, all right, good. So, dealt with light, Abby. We saw how to create light. We learned about electricity and how electricity moves. Okay, so that is for our first class. Today we will see how things move. This one is moving today. Who still remembers what this is? What's the name? So I can eat it. It's bread. So what is it used for? It's used for breadboard. We are supposed to clap for you for that. All right, so we have seen how light is generated. Today we'll look at how things move. We'll be seeing how things move today, and we'll be doing that using what we call a DC motor. There's our guy that calls it Motorola. He says Motorola. It's called a motor. Now this thing contains an engine that runs when electricity passes through it. So look at it. Pass it around. It is called a DC motor. I believe we still remember what DC stands for. Direct current. And what's the difference between DC and AC? Yes. Current. It flows alternatively. Okay. So now these motors are called DC motors because what they require is a direct current. Okay, that is why your battery can make it work. It doesn't have a positive or a negative, so it turns based on your connection. So can someone hold this up for me? Hold it. Just hold it. No, don't hold it there. Hold here. So if I place this on power, you will not see it because it's this pin that is turning. But if I want you to see it, I can do this. If I place this paper on it now, for example, ouch. Okay. So yeah, hold it now. Let me just do it this way. So if I connect this and this, the connection is correct. Let's check it. Let's be sure our battery is charged. Yeah, use this to touch that point. I'll use them to touch each other. Don't worry, it will not shock you. It doesn't have enough electron. Hold this. Tap it on one point. Yeah, you use it to touch this side of this motor. So now if I touch this here, don't allow it to come out. You know what's happening? This battery is very strong, so it is pushing too much power. That's why you see the speed like that. If you use it on a less strong battery, yeah, who is holding this one here? Yeah, who is connecting this for me? Yeah, connect this other point. No, it's correct. So what we are looking at is a DC motor. When electricity passes through it, it conducts. Where are the motors? All right, so while he's fixing that, let me explain something to us about this DC motor. If you connect the two wires here, it turns clockwise. If you reverse the wires, so if I connect positive, negative, it turns in one direction. If I change it, it turns in the other direction. So based on where the current electricity flows from, it can either turn clockwise or counterclockwise. Okay, so because some components behave that way, and the DC motor is one of them. Now this is another thing called a switch. This is called a switch. The other day when we did this connection, the moment we connect the batteries, the light comes up. If you don't want it to come up, you want it to go off, what do? You remove the battery. So instead of having that connect battery, remove battery, a switch is always placed to serve as a breaker. So if we have, what we had that day was this light, this LED, these are positive, these are negative, you still remember? Now here we connected what? A resistor. What does the resistor do? Electrons passing through. Good. So this is the positive and this is the negative of our LED, and this is our battery. Let's say this is our battery, this is the negative and the positive. So this connects to this connects to this. Anytime we want this light to come up, we touch this positive to the point. Once the circuit is completed, the light will come off. Now if you don't want to be using battery on, battery off, what you can do is to place something here called a switch. So you place a switch here. It is this thing that you on and off. This is what happened with your light bulb at home. So you break the connection here and connect a switch. Then anytime you want this thing to go off, you just use a switch, and that is one of the things we'll be doing today. So we have already done some connections. I need let me see, I need 2 houses here. So this is one and this is another. Good. So what we will do now is we'll connect wires to this deeper aspect of this. So you need to you have a battery there? Those of you take right on one of the houses there. Take the go and join the group and see what they are doing there. Yeah, take a battery. we done? You must not use the exact color of wire. Just use a wire to represent that color and you are okay. What's happening here? Okay, good. That's one. Yours is done too. So, sir, it's finished. I will bring another one next time. What do you want to take? You wanted to hold it down. Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll find a way of doing it. Hold it for me. You see, I want you to hold it like this. Change. Where are you running to? I just got to know your power. No, it's not okay. Oh. The red is positive, the black is negative. Is it all working there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so good. Now, is it working? Think one of them. Then check the battery. Check each of the battery and see. Let's know the one that is bad. Oh, this one is very low. This is a handmade fan. This is my guy that made it this morning. So you also will have to make your own fans too. You can use carton, you can use plastic. Oh, you know how to use plastic? Good. So you don't know? Oh, when you think about it, you find out it's not difficult. Who can hold this thing and will not run away? Hold on. Okay, your hand is not touching the plate, right? Alright, so don't allow your hand to touch this. I want this to be flowing. Okay, so I want us to look up here and see if electricity passes through this. We see how it's moving. It's moving this way. Now if I change the connection and reverse it, do you see? So some components behave like this. When you reverse the connection, it works the other way. Some will get destroyed. So it is good to understand how the components work. Now, what I place here is the same thing I've drawn here. This switch is to control the flow of electricity. The reason it came on was because it's on the on side. So if I place it this way and I try to connect again, put it on now. I put it off. Put it on. Hope we are seeing it. Alright, so that's the work of a switch. Now, I am going to give each group also a switch. Use it to control your lights. Okay? So that with this switch, you can put your light on and put it off. The switch is connected on one of the wires. And because the electricity flows from the positive to the negative, we always connect a switch at the positive wire. So you choose between this one and this one. Connect one side of the positive wire here, the other side on the middle. The middle becomes the control. So when you do it this way, these two are connected. It comes on. You do it this way, it disconnects. Okay? So connect it on one point. That's for that group. This group. All right. Don't stand here. Go and see what a group is doing. You said? Who was this one? Who was this one? Okay. Okay. And this light now, is it working? But you see where the problem is? This switch. The switch is not so. So the negative is to go directly to the battery negative. The switch is connected to the positives from here. It doesn't pass through. So the circuit is no longer complete. So what you do is, in between these two wires on the same leg, the positive leg, where is that switch? Now when you connect it, this one here, and you use this and the negative on the battery, that light will come up. Oh yeah, follow him, all of you. Go and make sure he does it well. I think this is okay here. This one is okay here. You just need another leg. The continuation, that's to the positive now, to be connected here. What you can do is take away this head. Take away this head. Yeah. Trim it and make use of it. Any success anywhere? Why not tie it completely? Tie it on that leg first before, so that you know you don't have any business there apart from switching it on and off. If your switch is working, let me know so that we can glue it to the house. You are done? We are very fast though. Okay, and help them to glue this. Alright, now that you are done with that, see what we'll do. Remember, at the end, that light must be in your house. I think I like this light in the veranda like this. It's fine. Have you tied it? So you can leave that thing on and just be putting it on and off. Alright, good. Yeah, put switches off, let me see. Good, put it on. Alright, that's good. Is it okay? Good. Is it off? You understand the whole logic behind it now. So the switch is to break. Electricity will not flow when the switch is off because the connection has been disconnected from inside. So the moment you connect it back, electricity flows. You switch it off, it goes off. So that is how your light bulb, all these things, that's how they work in your house. Okay? Alright, good. Yeah. Okay, what I want us to do now is to add I want us to add a motor to that. I want us to add a motor to that connection. Okay, I want us to add a motor to it. So let me see. Okay, now how can we connect this to this? Are you sure? Now where is the negative of the negative and positive of the battery? Yes. Next time, not use the same wires, okay? Well, I know you are using this one now to control, them, so it's fine. So what you do is, I want you to add this motor to the positive, the way this is breaking, so that we'll have. I want to fix this motor here. I want to fix this motor here, so that you are now having from here this positive to the positive, so that the switch will also control both the light and the motor. You understand? Alright, let's do that. I fix the light in your house. Are we done there? Okay, so I'm giving us a motor also. So what I want is fix this motor so that this switch also controls the motor. You understand? It controls both the motor and the light. So break this, or you can add another wire from here. Let the connection flow. I hope you understand that. Or I do it, let me see. Who need wire? Okay. Let me see the voltage of that battery. Test this one, let's see. Test this one, let's see. Let's be sure it's battery issue. Okay, so it's battery. Alright, connect this. Perfect. Tell this to connect this gum this here. So arrange it very well so that it will use gum for you. We'll put a blade on it, so we'll put it at a place where it will have space. If I place this blade on it, will it be able to move? So I think there's a way you can make it to work there. Now this is switch it off, let's see. Okay, so okay, and today this thing is connected directly. See, because this is the red part, this one, and where is that light? the light is connected here. So this and this are supposed to be connected to this point. You understand? So these two are supposed to be connected to this point. That connection is loose. There will be tape next time. Then the other wire, the one that is supposed to go to the positive, this is going to positive. It is your positive. So you can connect this one now to the other side. The same thing should happen with the light. Now that the light is now okay, because good. I put it on, let's see. You understand now? So all the both of them now, they are passing through this and coming out of this. So the current flows through and this one controls all. So you can now fix your lights. It's from here. Wait, we'll make that connection to the touch. Then fix the light in the house. Let's see. What's happening there? It's not working again. Let's see the battery power. Hold on. Let's see. Check your connection. All these things are not working. Okay, don't worry. Alright. Let's do this.
When you're fine, it's any money.
Alright.
This is then under.
That's because it's going in the wrong direction. So if you change the wire connection now to turn this way, the position of the blade. You know, motor is a mechanical part, so it takes a lot of energy. It uses a lot of the current that is passing through. So what we'll do is, so you can continue. Oh, when your school approves it, they will have more time. So what I want is, we're having this class again on Monday. Okay? When you're coming on Monday, everybody come with your own fan.
That is right.
Come with your own fan. So on Monday, no, it's not candle wax. So on Monday we'll be adding this. We'll be adding this to our house. Hello. On Monday we'll be adding this component to the house. You know what this is? It's called a buzzer. It's an alarm. Help me to connect positive to positive. Where's the positive between these two? Alright. Yeah, connect. Just place it on it. I will do the rest from here. So this is.
Check the motor. Let's motor again. This motor. The motor, not.
Are you guys listening?
So you should see the buzzer. It's called a buzzer. It has two legs. Okay, you see one is long, one is short. It has polarity. So this is positive. You must always connect it that way. Otherwise, you can damage it. So we have a lot of them. On Monday, we'll be adding them to this. So, hello. What I want us to do is, as you get home, we have seen what we are adding. We are adding a fan, a light, and an alarm to our house. So I want you to be thinking of where, when you have your house, where you want to put each of them, so that we don't waste time on Monday. Come, I'll just give us what to make use of. Then we'll do the connections and see. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any question? You don't have a breadboard? Don't worry, there will be ways to connect it. The breadboard is just for testing. When you remove, where is the positive of the battery? Where the positive of the battery comes from? When you remove this one, you connect it directly to the battery. You don't need a breadboard. So once you use this breadboard to test, once you use it to test and your connection is okay, you can now remove the wires and connect them together.